YouTube channel, that is my success point. Today we are going to discuss the very important question which will be helpful for you in each and every kind of examination. Let us start the solution of the question. Most important question, my dear student. Let us see. But first of all, I will use the condition a to the power m to the power a to the power m plus n. It will be equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. Second case, a to the power m to the power n will be equal to a to the power m mn. Power will be in the multiplication form. Now let y is equal to, let me take it sine inverse, but I will break the thing. 2 into 2 to the power x into 4 to the power x divided by 1 plus 8 to the power x to the power 2. Most important question, my dear student, you must have to concentrate over here. That will be twice into 8 to the power x divided by 1 plus 8 to the power x, 8 to the power x to the power 2. It will be equal to 8 to the power x will be equal to tan theta, and theta will be equal to tan inverse 8 to the power x. Most important thing now, using y is equal to, first of all we are going to change it into the simplest form, that is 2. Put this thing in place of 8 to the power x, that is tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. My dear student, it is the formula you know. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to sine 2 theta. That is sine inverse sine 2 theta. Most important formula. Its value will be 2 theta, that y. First of all, the condition should be in your mind, then only you can find out the solution of such questions. That will be 2 theta will be equal to tan inverse 8 to the power x. My dear student, let me differentiate it with respect to x, with respect to x. Most important thing, dy upon dx. Dy upon dx, it will be equal to what? Twice dy upon dx tan inverse 8 to the power x. We will differentiate it. Let me use it here so that you will be comfortable to understand, to see the thing. Dy upon dx, it will be equal to twice, my dear student, the formula of it, that is 1 plus x square. X square means 8 to the power x to the power 2. Once again you differentiate what? 8 to the power x. 8 to the power x means 2, 1 plus 64 to the power x into 8 to the power x into log 8. Because the formula, what is the formula? I have used the formula. Using d upon dx a to the power x, I am writing so that you will understand, a to the power x log a. Okay, this thing I have used over here. That is why you must find the solution of the question, that is twice 8 to the power x log 8. Okay, divided by, it will be equal to 1 plus 64 to the power x. My dear student, dy upon dx, but the value of y is this one. This is the value of y. Means you can write its solution in that way also. D upon dx, it will be sine inverse. What is that? 2 to the power x plus 1 into 4 to the power x upon 1 plus 64 to the power x. It will be equal to what? 2 into 8 to the power x log 8 divided by 1 plus 64 to the power x. Most important question, log at base 7, that is log x. Generally the student commits the mistake to find out the differentiation of such type of questions. Let me start. But first of all, I will use the formula. What the formula I will use? By applying the base changing formula. Then only you can find out the solution of such question. By applying the base change formula. What is the base change formula, my dear student? You must have to see, that is log a. Log base is a, and you will have to find out its value b. At base a, it will be equal to log b upon log A. You must have to use this formula. Now let me start the solution of the question. That y is equal to log 7 at base log x is log x and log x upon log 7. Same formula, base change formula I have used over here. Now differentiating with respect to x, most important, you must have to concentrate over here so that you will understand. I am just going to differentiate with respect to y, with respect to x, it will be equal to, my dear student, this is constant, you must have to keep it as it is, okay, log 7 into, what will be its value? Differentiation of log x. See, it will be equal to 1 upon log 7 into 1 upon log x. You see, log x. Once again you will have to differentiate log x. That will be 1 upon x. My dear student, its differentiation will be 1 upon x log 7 log x. Most important question I have discussed with you. My dear student, this is very, very important. But one more thing you will have to keep in mind. This function will be defined. The function is defined only. This thing you will have to keep in mind. Defined for x is greater than 1. You must have to keep in mind. The function will define for x greater than 1 real values, real numbers. This thing you must have to keep in mind. Then only you can find out the solution of the question. Okay, thank you to all of you. My dear student, it is my sincere advice to all of you that you must have to share my videos, like my videos, press the bell icon so that my each and every video will reach to you as soon as possible. Subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you to all of you.